Should I begin paying when the interest starts, when the payment starts? Or is there another option I'm not thinking about? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael and I've been taking you guys with me for a journey of paying off over $140,000 worth of student loan debt. Now thankfully over the past few years I've been able to really start to dwindle down that $140,000 worth of debt. And one of the best ways I found to keep myself accountable to reaching my goal of becoming debt-free is by doing these Transfer Tuesdays. So specifically in today's video, I'm going to be sharing what money transfers I have made to further progressing myself towards financial freedom, specifically in the form of investment accounts. Now, a Transfer Tuesday is just a simple way for me to keep accountable to my viewers of how much money I'm able to transfer each week, specifically for the purpose of getting myself out of debt, along with some other things like transferring money for the sake of retirement in a Roth IRA, into my sinking funds, etc. Now, typically I come on here and share these really big numbers about transferring $1,500 or $3,000 towards my government student loans, and I do still want to do that this month and sometime shortly. However, in today's video, I'm going to switch things up just a little bit. It's not going to be as large of a number for today because the only transfer I've been able to make is transferring $200 towards my Roth IRA. And I use my Roth IRA with M1 Finance. I'm not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by really anybody. But I just want to go over with you guys some of the numbers for my Roth IRA. I don't know. I think it was actually since the beginning of this year, I switched over from contributing $100 every month to $200 every month. Which, you know, that doubles the amount of money I'm able to put towards my Roth IRA per year. I believe the limit that you can put into a Roth IRA as of 2023 is still $6,000, although maybe they jumped it up by another $500, so maybe it's $6,500. I'm not quite sure on that. If you know for certain, you can put it down in the comments to help out some other people who may be listening to this in the future. But today I was able to transfer $200 to put into my Roth IRA with M1 Finance. And specifically, that $200 gets broken up into 4 different Vanguard ETFs within M1 Finance. The one that holds the most weight is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, the Vanguard Small Cap ETF, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, and then the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, each with a descending weight to them. So the first one was 50%, 20%, 15%, and then 15%. And just to share with you guys some little numbers about how my investment portfolio is going, year to date, I am up $255.21 with a growth of 21%, 21.43%. So I guess that's pretty good with my small little Roth IRA account. Currently there is $2,654.47 in my Roth IRA, which I know isn't a huge amount, but once again, I only really started this account last year, and at the time I was only contributing $100 every single month, and I think there was a few months that I may have missed my contributions for, but thankfully this year, since January, I think I've been able to contribute $200 every single month, which has been helpful towards gaining, pushing forward with my goal of becoming financially independent, having financial freedom. Now, in regards to the other transfers I usually talk about on Tuesday, my sinking funds and my government student loans. Sinking funds, I'll put money towards those sometime this month, but I have not contributed anything towards my federal student loans yet. However, something important to say about that is I believe it is August 30th or sometime during the month of August that the interest for the federal student loans is going to be coming back online, or so I've been told. So from my understanding, the interest has been paused. The payments were paused and the interest was paused since 2020. But the interest is going to be start working again. It's going to be back online. I can never say that word, accruing interest. The interest will resume in August, this coming month, and the payments, I believe, will start to become due in October. So there's like a 2-month gap from when the interest starts and when the payments start. So I have some decision making to do. If the payments are officially going to be coming back on in October, should I try to take the money I have now and pay it when the interest starts in August? Or should I wait for when the payment starts in October? Just taking this big lump sum of money, which now, what I say in my last video, that it was around $45,000, $44,500, I think I said. Somewhere around there. Correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't pulled it up yet to see. So do I take that money and pay it when the interest starts or when the payment starts? I will say I'm going to be sad having to see this money go, because each month I now gain over, I think, close to $150 a month just in the interest from this account in Ally Savings Bank, which is currently at a 4% interest rate. So I don't know what to do. If you have any suggestions or opinions or comments, be sure to leave them down in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think. Should I begin paying when the interest starts, when the payment starts, or is there another option I'm not thinking about? So if you can think of anything, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below, because it's one of those things I've been planning for, just continue saving, but now the finish line for the deferment is quickly approaching, and it's like, oh shoot, what do I do? Do I pay it all at once? Do I break it up? I don't know. So tell me what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching this video of me just rambling about what money I've transferred today going to my Roth IRA account. I appreciate you guys and your encouragement each and every week tuning in to see my videos. I know they're kind of sometimes every other week now, just because, life's busy and I don't always have new exciting things to update you guys with. But thank you guys so much for always coming back, cheering me on, rooting me on. It's a pleasure. I was going to say it's a pleasure working with you guys, but I don't know if that really is how this dynamic works. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.